Attention subscribers, please make sure that you're still subscribed to my channel. I suspect YouTube is deleting my subscribers without their knowledge. Here's a ravishing female and a 2009 Cadillac XLR, 443 horsepower. That's Seductive Lady, a 2009 Corvette. There's a sensational gal in a 2009 Dodge Charger SRT8. That's Snazzy Girl, a 2009 Ferrari 458. That's Stunning Damsel, a 2009 Ford Mustang GT. There's an alluring woman in a 2009 Morgan Arrow at Max. There's a bodacious fox in 2009 Papel de Pared. Please don't forget to donate. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.